Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, why some jobs in Canada are quietly disappearing? If you look closely at the job market in Canada, you will notice something interesting. Some jobs are slowly disappearing and many people don't even realize it because you just stop seeing it on job portals and other places. And this is something that is not happening overnight. It's gradual, silent and driven by multiple factors. Now, the single biggest reason, if I have to describe, is automation. Many routine tasks are now handled by machines or software, especially with AI. Jobs that involve repetitive work are especially at risk. Now, digital systems are replacing manual process. From self-checkout machines to online services, fewer people are needed for for same task. However, too much technology usage backfires too. I have seen this in Walmart. That you must have seen in another video. Outsourcing is also playing a role. Some companies move certain operations to other countries at a reduced cost, especially with high internet speed. Those tasks can be performed over there, but in turn, this reduces local job opportunities. And also, there is changing consumer spending behavior. Everyone wants convenience, so people prefer online shopping nowadays, digital banking, self service options. So, traditional roles are being reduced, right? And also economic shifts matter. Certain industries are growing, certain are not. So those who are associated with declining industries would obviously start disappearing. Mismatch is another reason. Many jobs still exist but require updated skills. If workers don't adapt, these jobs feel like they're disappearing for them because they can no longer fit to those. However, one thing is to understand that only change is permanent. So, if jobs are disappearing, new ones are also appearing. The more adaptable you are, the better chances you hold to stay afloat in job market. So, learning new skills, staying updated, and being open to change is essential in today's job market. So, because opportunities are there, but they're evolving, so you have to evolve with those. If you do, then it's gonna be good for you. That's what I want to discuss, guys. Now let me know what is your take on this. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.